Hey, how you doing, guys? Saturday, been plugging away at the big girl all week. Had the no spark issue. It wasn't starting up, cranking over just great. So take you through what I went through and what I found. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so initially I swore I had voltage here. Okay, so it wasn't turning over, and I assumed because the backstory was that the key was left in for half hour to an hour. So I thought I might have effed up the coil. Took the coil out. It was a little bit out of spec. I wasn't 100% sure it wasn't good, but I thought because I was questioning it, I should get a new coil. So I got the new coil, put that in there, and cranked it over. Nothing. Like, geez, what the hell? So I thought, okay, I'll check for voltage here again. I had nothing. No voltage. Okay, what's going on? So what did I do? I gotta call the buddy to come over, and I connected a wire from here, and then he turned it over, and I supplied 12 volts to the coil. So boom, fired right up, ran, no problem. I'm thinking, okay, something to do with the supply to the coil. So I wasn't sure 100% where that supply was coming from, but I thought it was a module, and we know that these old Fords have these ignition modules that are notoriously bad, right? So as someone who asked advice from online said, always keep one in your glove box. So I'm going to keep the new one I put in, even though it wasn't the problem, and keep the old one in the glove box. So anyway, so we replaced that. Still nothing at all. So like, okay, what? Maybe it's a solenoid over here. So this here, I believe, is a ballast resistor. We had issues getting readings across that. We suspected that because at first we thought it was open, the readings were open, but no, in the end we did. I said I got 1.1 ohms, and then my buddy came over, and finally he actually made good contact, so he verified that. Then he went and we checked the connections, he checked all the fusible links on either side for continuity with the continuity tester of the meter, and they all seemed good. So we're stumped here. I don't know what to do from this point, right? So we thought, again, let's see what's going on with the ignition, because why is there not 12 volts there? So what we do? We grab this baby here, connect this baby on this end to the negative, and then touch there, and it'll light up if you got power. Okay, so my buddy did that, held it here. I turned it over, and it was dead. But he said, "Hey, Gus, it flickered." I'm like, "What do you mean it flickered?" He goes, "Well, it flickered for a second." I'm like, "Are you sure?" So I jiggled the cylinder, the key cylinder inside, and this baby lit up, which meant now I had 12 volts at the coil. So that being said, it started up, and every time after that it has started up. So I'm going to set this down and get in there. Actually, I'll bring you in the vehicle with me. Let's go start it up. Oh boy. It's not running the best because I don't know how long it's been sitting, but it starts right away, as you can hear. I'm looking for some old rocker covers, guys. If you got any that you're not using, a buddy of mine's going to help me with adjusting the valves, the rockers. It's easy if he knows what he's doing with that. I'd be lying if I told you how I knew how to do that, but I got a buddy that knows and he's willing to help, so I'm all for it. I'm very happy. I'm happy, guys. Got her going. Got to clean her up. Still has issues, of course. It's a 44-year-old car. It's not perfect, right? But the big girl started for me, so I'm very happy. Look at those square tailpipes. They kill me.